Oh. If you sit at a desk all day, this yoga routine is going to change your life in minutes. What's up, everybody? I'm Coach Zach, and this is Critical Bench. If you're like most people in today's world, then you work from a desk, right? You're on your computer, you're typing away, you're using your mouse, staring at a screen all day. And this is one of the main reasons why lower back problems, neck problems, shoulder issues, breathing problems, they're on the rise. It's because we as human beings are not meant to be cooped up in a desk all day. But not all is lost, because there are some things that you can do. And this quick yoga routine will change your life in minutes. And the best part is, you can do it while you're seated at your desk. It's gonna hit all the major points where most people have problems who sit at a desk all day. We're gonna address your neck, your shoulders, and we're gonna move through all 6 major movements of the spine. Because as we know, you're only as old as your spine. And your spine mobility goes down if you're always seated. It gets rigid and sticky, causing problems throughout your entire body. So we're gonna address that. First, we'll get to your neck. So make sure you're standing up tall, reaching the crown of the head, the middle of the top of your head, up to the sky, right? Tall posture here. Now, you're gonna take your fist, doesn't matter which one, and place it on your chin. Now, you're gonna take your other hand behind your head, cradling your head. You're gonna gently press into your chin, giving yourself a double chin, while pulling up with the other hand, lengthening the back of your neck. So here, and make sure you breathe. This is amazing for lengthening the back of the neck because a lot of times it gets tight. Make sure you breathe deep to let go of tension. And then you can address the right and left side by gently tilting your chin down towards your armpit. Pulling up on the back, just getting in while pushing in on the chin. Make sure you maintain this tall posture. You're not over here rounding your back. Stand up tall. Come back to center, and then we'll do the other side too. So in with the chin, over to the right. And to come back, slowly come to center and roll your head up. This stretch is amazing because a lot of times the muscles in the back of our neck get really, really tight because we're on the forward rounded, our head's forward, we're staring at a screen, we're squinting. So lengthening that will immediately make you feel better. The next one we got for you is to get the front of your neck into your shoulder. So again, sit up tall. We're gonna release one hand down. So in this case, it's the right hand, palm face forward. Now, gently tilt your chin up and over to the left. You can use your hand to gently kind of stretch out the front of your neck. Now take a look at this hand. You're gonna slowly rotate the palm in and back, and then rotate it out, while maintaining a nice stretch in the front of your neck here. Make sure you breathe. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. So now the left hand down, palm face forward. Again, sit up tall. Find the nice stretch to lengthen the front of the neck. You can even use your other hand to gently guide your chin up. And then again, slowly rotate palm back. You feel that right there in the shoulder and the neck and back. Good, slowly roll the chin down and come back. Boom, that was your neck. Now we're gonna get up into your shoulders. So take your fingers and bring them to your shoulders. Now we're gonna draw big circles with the elbows. Try to get the biggest as you can, bring the elbows together and down, and go back up. Breathe here. So inhale as you come up, exhale as you come down. Now, working on your posture is extremely important. Posture affects how you feel, how you breathe, how you think. So while you're here on this YouTube video, why don't you go ahead and check out that pinned comment in the comments section, and it'll give you a free guide on how to fix your posture in minutes. Make sure you go the other way. Inhale, come up, out, and down. And release. Whew, that feels amazing. This next one is one of my favorite stretches for the shoulders. So on your inhale, you're gonna extend the arms out to the side. Palms face you. Now, give yourself a great big hug. You can even add some gratitude here. Say, thank you for this body, I love you. Now on your inhale, imagine you're taking a shirt off. So reach the elbows up and back. Behind your head as best as possible, and on your exhale, take that shirt and throw it out in two, palms face forward. One deep inhale, opposite arm on top. Hug, shirt off. Exhale out. Boom, that was the shoulders. Now we're gonna get into the spine. Now there are 6 main movements of the spine. And if you wanna have a healthy spine and feel as best as you can, you need to work through all 6 movements. So the first 2 are flexion and extension. And to hit this, we're gonna do the seated cat-cow. So again, find a tall spine. Bring your hands to your knees. Now on your inhale, you're gonna arch your back, reach your heart forward, really broaden through the collarbones, look up towards the sky. And on your exhale, round the spine, chin to chest, and engage your core, bringing your navel towards your spine. Belly button as close to your spine as possible. You can also allow the shoulder blades to come away from each other. Inhale. Exhale. So that was flexion and extension. We also want to get to the side, the lateral movement of the spine. And to do this, we're going to do a lateral bend. Again, inhale, find a tall spine, crown of the head up towards the sky. And then we're going to take the right hand to the chair, anchoring on the chair, reach the left arm up and over to the right, exhale. Long line all the way from left hip to left fingers. Inhale brings you to center. Exhale to the right. And that's to the left. Inhale, center, and move with your breath here. Now I like to tell people, imagine like you're a piece of seaweed at the bottom of the ocean, flowing back and forth in the ocean current. Gentle movement using the breath. And hey, if you haven't already subscribed to the Critical Bench channel, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you know when a new video is up. Awesome. Those were the 4 movements of the spine. We got flexion, extension, and lateral left and right. Now, we have rotation. This is one of the first movements of the spine that goes away as people get older, because think about it. When do we ever really twist? When are we ever really using this? When are we moving in that transverse plane of motion? I can't really think of any for an average person, can you? So here's what we're gonna do. Inhale, tall spine. Make sure you really lengthen out through the spine. Crown of the head up towards the sky. Inhale. On your exhale, left hand outside of right knee. You can take that right hand behind you and look over your right shoulder. Again, make sure you're finding length here. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the left. Again, when you exhale, also make sure you're engaging your core, drawing your navel towards your spine. Boom! That was the 6 main movements of the spine. Now, we're finally gonna get into the wrists. The wrists are a big issue for people who work at a desk because sitting at a keyboard and using these little fingers so much, or on your phone using your thumbs, creates a lot of tension, can create carpal tunnel. And wrist problems are on the rise because of all the office and phone work that we do. So these are just some basic things that you can do for your wrist throughout your day. Interlace your fingers, bring your forearms together and do some wrist rolls. All right, whenever you feel a little tight, whenever you've been working a little too long, take this break. Take 5-10 minutes out of your day to come and move in this way. Move through the neck, the shoulders, the spine, the wrists. You might be like, I don't have time for that. I gotta work. Listen, you'd be much more productive if you take the time to work on your health, work on your body, your mind. That way, when you do work, it's a lot more effective. You can also get here, reach the palm forward, drawing the fingers towards your elbow. This feels awesome, really opening up the front of the forearm and the wrist and the fingers. And you can interlace the hands above your head. This is also awesome because it opens up your lungs, opens up your rib cage. Inhale, draw your palms, try to keep the pinky together and draw your palms up to the sky. Maybe you look up. Exhale back down. Boom! That was the wrists. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I really hope that this yoga routine that you can do from your desk will help you throughout long work days. Now, working on your posture is extremely important, so go ahead and check out that pinned link in the comment section below to get a free report on how to address your posture. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell. Again, I'm Coach Zach at Criticalbench. Peace!